In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear browsing history automatically in DuckDuckGo. By the end, your DuckDuckGo browser will be set to erase your browsing history on a schedule you choose, so you don't have to clear it manually. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. You should see your home screen or the last page you visited. If you're opening it fresh, wait for the browser to load before continuing. Next, click the menu, the three dots. On most devices, this appears at the top or bottom corner of the screen. If you don't see it immediately, look for the icon with three vertical dots and tap it to open the menu. From here, select Settings. This takes you to the browser's configuration page where you can adjust privacy and data options. If your screen shows a list of sections, we'll focus on the privacy controls next. Now, go to Privacy. Open the Privacy section to access tools that manage what the browser keeps and what it removes. This is where we'll enable automatic clearing so your browsing history is removed on a schedule. Once that's open, tap Clear Browsing Data. This page controls how the browser handles your history and related site data. You might see options that describe what gets cleared or when it happens. Stay on this screen for the next step. Enable Automatically Clear Browsing Data. Turn this on to allow the DuckDuckGo browser to remove your browsing history for you. When this is enabled, the browser will handle the cleanup according to the timing you choose, so you don't have to remember to do it manually. If a confirmation prompt appears, approve it to continue. This only affects your browsing data in the browser. It won't delete files on your device. Now, choose the time interval, for example, daily or on exit. Select the timing that fits how you use the browser. Daily will clear your browsing history once per day at the set time, keeping the browser tidy regularly. On exit will clear your browsing history every time you close the browser, which is useful if you want a fresh start each time you're done browsing. Take a moment to pick the option you prefer, then confirm your choice on this screen. If there are additional interval options, choose the one that best matches how often you want your history removed. At this point, confirm and save settings. If you see a Save, Apply, or Done button, tap it. If there's no button, simply backing out of the screen may save the change automatically. Before leaving, we quickly check that the Automatically Clear Browsing Data option is still enabled and that the selected interval is displayed so you know the setting is active. This confirmation helps prevent missed changes. That's it. Your DuckDuckGo browser is now set to clear your browsing history automatically based on the interval you selected. Going forward, the browser will remove your history as scheduled, reducing what's stored on your device without any extra steps from you. If you ever want to change the timing or turn it off, you can return to the same privacy and clear browsing data screens and adjust the setting. Your automatic history clearing in DuckDuckGo is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.